Are you looking for Nexfan review? Nowadays, lots of people are watching such portable air cooler ads on Facebook or YouTube and TikTok. Well, that is why portable AC review is a trending topic. Friends, we are not only going to talk about Nexfan air cooler review in this video, but we will also share details behind such scam products. Yes, Nexfan is nothing but a scam. There are lots of YouTube creators and website owners who are just popularizing such low-quality products to gain a limited amount as the affiliate commission. However, all such air cooler products are useless and low-quality, low-price China-made gadgets. Even you can go to any Chinese wholesale product website to launch such portable air cooler. You can also launch some other portable AC. We have a list of useless products and reviewed them as a scam product. Please click the given link in the description and check yourself. We have created this video only to narrate the truth behind such portable air cooler like Nexfan AC. Don't waste your money in these orders. Please avoid all such ads available on Facebook and YouTube. Also, check the link and read comments below our videos. People are also counting them as scam product.